Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to buy Disney Plus gift card. If you would like to purchase a Disney Plus gift card, then you have a few options. So here's how you can do it. First of all, open a preferred web browser and then open up a web browser and type in disneygiftcard.com and search. Doing so will take you to the Disney gift card homepage, from where you can shop for various cards of your preference. From the main homepage, click on the Shop Now button on the right hand side of the screen and then select Disney gift cards you would like to purchase from the Disney gift store. Scroll down and select how you'd like to receive Disney Plus gift card with. You can choose to receive it by email or by mail. Choose any one option, click the Buy Now button in order to proceed with the purchase. Now, from the gift card area, go ahead and select the gift card you are trying to buy, and once you click it open, select the gift card and click on Quick Shop. Choose the amount from the top that you want it to appear on your gift card and then enter the rest of the information such as your recipient's email address, recipient's name and the sender's name, and click on Add to Bag. Once you add the gift card to your bag, you can now continue purchasing it by clicking on View Full Bag, and then in the Order Summary page, click on Sign In and Check Out. Now, if you're not logged in, you'll need to log into your account, enter your email associated with My Disney, and then enter your email verification code on the next page. Once you type in your code and click Continue after verifying your account, follow through the instructions in order to purchase your Disney Plus gift card. So that is how you will be able to do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.